Marada Kúnyitithia, a former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua, the moment he lands in Kenyan soil for these reasons.
I saw another man who sat where you are sitting the other day, disparaging our country, talking about issues of insecurity as though it's a joke, to the extent that he's talking about, he thinks that he's going to parade issues of terrorism in America for him to get votes. Your Excellency, we want to say without fear of contradiction, because he has said he has information and he knows and he has an agent who is sitting in meetings with Al-Shabaab. As soon as he lands in Kenya, he must record a statement to tell us exactly which meetings he's doing with terrorists.
Kuria US Rigathi Gachagua nĩakoretwo akirekereria banters after banters agipasha thirikari of course na kosoa thirikari no tuge akiruta wira wa opposition, and this is bringing very bad image to the KK people na nimarona mundu uyu nieguthukia rada. Apart from gukorwo magithukirio ritwa ndira tukao tukirora some of the reasons iria cingituma makorwo mena urge iyo nene ya gukorwo makinyitithia Rigathi Gachagua, and what impact will this have in case they manage to do it?
The country is almost grinding to a halt. They are saying that I'm here in America talking ill of my country. I'm not talking ill of my country. I'm just talking the truth. And I'm not saying Kenya is bad. Kenya is a beautiful country with good people, but we have poor leadership. We are here talking about poor leadership. We are not castigating Kenya as a country. That is our country. And we are only talking because we love our country.
Mundu aginyitwo agikorwo thiini for more than 6 months. The new mtu hawezi simama. It is in the constitution that a person who wants to be president dafati gukoro anyitito for more than 6 months. And so if magiona udo legally right uria magihota kunyitithia Rigathi Gachagua naguo aende tu miezi 6 tu ndani, whether itakuwa home arrest, whether itakuwa any form of arrest, then Rigathi Gachagua will not be viable to vie for president in 2027 in anyway. Thaishi kwina guoya munene muno tondu the impeachment thing no ikoro ikirutwo anytime. No tuthi igoti-inĩ na tuone majaji nĩ makorwo makieheria ũhoro ũcio wa impeachment na the consequences that come with that impeachment tag, na tuone Rigathi Gachagua no akorwo akirugama, and that is a very big threat to them tondu nĩ marona anything that can expose them, anyone who can expose them right now and Rigathi Gachagua, that is the biggest threat. Now I'm thinking that is one of the things iria marona shiratuma mone ni marabatara gukorwo makinyitithia Rigathi Gachagua, because ni maramenya meka uguo wame kill his political career. In politics omudu aroraga uria muthenya umwe one of these fine days in their political career agatuika president, na koguo agikorwo mundu ndangihota kurugama president, especially a person like Rigathi Gachagua uria gathi-ini already akinyite the next seat anaweza simama as president. So that will be killing his political career. Na Gachagua will not have anything to wake up to go and say one term for. Sijui kama tunapatana pale hivyo. And the last thing na ni udoria ukoretwo ukimakia a Kenya the ni security and planning of Rigathi Gachagua's US trip. Omudu ni eroria, who is planning and who is organizing Rigathi Gachagua's trip? Maundu macio mothe ni mararehe thina na inaleta shida because we see tuliona turonire ginya CS Murkomen akiuga ena machungu muno na story ya security, akiuga ati Rigathi Gachagua arathia kwa security airport akahura bisha nao, but clearly we can see manzeo si security wa airport acio ni andu enao ginya kure event ini, na darora wega ndrona history inachangia sana tondu mararigwo who is behind this guy. So unless we arrest him nigetha tuone no okumutetera nigetha tumenye who is behind this guy. Guys, that is just my opinion. No comment yo ture maoni maku megi uhoro yo. Now, what will be the effects in case mage succeed kunyitithia Rigathi Gachagua? Of course, hideria kwari na impeachment, Mount Kenya was very calm, and that was not expected. Actually, digweshiria niko expected to gukorwo na vurugu onemwe. They expected some level of vurugu, but it ni mama kire muno kuona adu me calm. So, do you think this time adu me gukorwo me calm, seeing Rigathi Gachagua's successful US tour na ashoka anyiteto? Do you think they are going to hold that? Do you think they are going to sustain that? pale hivyo ni kama in case they succeed to arrest Gachagua ni gukorwo na gathina haria. Another thing ni ati, will that be a confirmation ya ati maundu maria Rigathi Gachagua akoretwo akiaria ekuria US ni mama? Kwa sababu mbona mnajishuku? We saw turonire CS Kipchumba Murkomen akiuga ati Rigathi Gachagua is mad, ni muguruki. Koguo, why would you want to arrest a madman? Mugenda kunyita muguruki niki? Is it proving that maundu maria akoretwo akiuga ekuria ni mama, kana mbona kujishuku pale hivyo? That could be one of the effects. Nego prove even to the whole world that the guy they are arresting to silence him, because this is Africa. And lastly, Kúnyitithia Gachagua ni kuongerera his political bargaining power. Ati convincing power ile arari nayo ni kuongerereka, na andu aria me thutha wake ni mekuongerereka, because kuna ile kitu inakujanga na sympathy. The sympathy, kuona mundu ange humiliate muno, mundu ange tindekwa muno, kuna kujanga ile nini ya mercy. Na andu nimekuigwa yani this guy was the deputy president, na right now arashirithio igoti-ini ta muici wa nguku. You get? Arashirithio igoti-ini na magistrate. You get? Itakuwa kitu yenye pale hivi itakuwa na shida. I think William Ruto right now is doing well in the country. Thaishi reception if to geri ama. Thaishi andu ni marajia gukira ni undu wa chan, ni undu wa maundu maria marathi na mbere thaishi ma sports. So I think matifati gukorwo maki hype ado into thinking that there's still this rivalry. In case, if anything, marauga Gachagua ni mugoroki, they should just leave him. Anyway guys, that is just my opinion. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
Instead of William Ruto admonishing the minister for going against the constitution, he went ahead and issued further orders himself that people should be shot in the leg. A president saying publicly, shoot them in the leg, harm them, then take them to hospital on their way to prison. That is how callous he has become, and he doesn't hide anymore. It's the extent of the impunity that is very worrisome to the people of Kenya. That a leader who is elected by the people has the audacity to threaten Kenyans and issue orders for them to be harmed, to be injured before they are in prison.